Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kini long ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Ka Bainong Sngi highly skilled Nruspa South Santingka skill Nruspa Santingka semi skill Sanspa Nrup Santingka on skill Sanspa Arp Santingka kadika rai bala Pynkiew da ka kinhun menteri ka Sorkar Jylla ha kasngi thoding. Kala menjur ya ka minimum wage jingsiu barredu badang penthamai revise bat penhe ya ka jinglum khajna ban penmentoy ya palan prapusan hajar ngut kinong belasngi ha meghalaya ya thu konrad ke sangma ha ka jingyalang kinhun cabinet kabla long hasora polo orchid civil subdivision ka jingkhen kelum kum karai ka bakong sanbha jong ka Sorkar umentri rangba konrad ke sangma ulaong ba ka minimum wage jingsiu barredu ya ki Nongbylla ki baha ba ka kedan highly skill kenyo menta Nruspa South Santingka na ka Sanspa prap Nriu tingka Sngi ki skill kenyo Nruspa Santingka na ka Sanspa Laipo tingka semi skill kenyo Sanspa Nrup Santingka na ka Sauspa nyo pusau tingka bar ki on skill kenyo Sanspa Arp Santingka na ka Sauspa khat khandai tingka Uloong babaro kinong aikam kinha ban pentrekam yakini kador bathmai lem kumta lakentu yakinong bala bakin IT yakijing ujor syakatanat labor bagan le yakabadon kam. Piatip bangi julum yakakajna ses bad yakini kapisa la pendon kam na kabenta ka jingmentoy jong kinong bala. Kibala register baka Sorkar. Kumba prapho hajala ne prapson hajar ngut kila dep ban register ulaong. Umentri rangba ulaong bakidon bun ki jingmentoy ba kinong bala kiyo kum ka jingmentoy haga basiu bailet sumar ka jingsiu ban pha school ya ki school ba puli ha ki school bat college kumta ngila penhe ya kane ka khajna badakane ka amendment ka jingmentoy ka ban let shikilong ying bat ki Nongbylla bala register kanang khambun menta Ulaong ba ka kinhun menteri kala rai banang penbun ya ki jingmentoy sya ki Nongbylla ki bala register ila di hapo kane ka rule.
Revise the floor rates of minimum wage in Meghalaya today. So those amounts have been increased. We will send you a detailed note of the actual amounts that have gone up for unskilled, skilled, so on and so forth. So the minimum wage for the state has been increased, and that was a very important decision taken today. Second important decision that has been taken today is that we have amended the Meghalaya Buildings and Other Construction Workers Regulation of Employment and Conditions Rules 2008. Now, you're aware that we are having a labor cess amount that is collected, and this amount then is used for the benefit of the laborers. And these are laborers who are registered with the government. And about 85,000 of them are registered. There are different benefits like you get benefits for medical payments, you get benefits if there's some other disabilities, you get payments also for education of children, studying in schools, colleges. So we have enhanced those benefits today. And so with that now, the amendment, the amounts that are going to go to the families and the laborers who are registered under this particular rules, they will get higher benefits now. So details, there are too many of them. We'll send them in, in a note or something. But I would like to inform you that the cabinet has today decided to increase the benefits for the laborers who are registered under these particular rules.